Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss how much did Jamie Spears earn from Britney Spears' fortune. Let's get right into it. After making it obvious in a 24-minute statement before Judge Brenda Penny in court that she was done playing nice with the conservatorship that has granted control over her life to her father, Jamie Spears, since 2008, Britney Spears made it apparent that she was done playing nice with the conservatorship. She pleaded with the court to take back control of her life and put an end to the arrangement that has allowed Jamie Spears to live off her profession and $60 million in wealth. She described a litany of misery, from being compelled to take lithium against her will to not being allowed to remove her IUD. Considering my family has lived off my conservatorship for 13 years, I won't be surprised if one of them has something to say against ending my conservatorship. Britney Spears said yesterday, "I just don't feel like feeling like I work for the people who I pay." But how much money did Jamie Spears stash away? Britney Spears has paid him a monthly wage, provided office space, and given him a part of her celebrity for more than a decade. Since February 2008, Jamie Spears has been paid at least $5 million before taxes. Britney Spears had to spend hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in legal fees for herself and her conservators as a result of the conservatorship. According to court documents reviewed by Forbes, Spears has had to pay her father, Jamie, $16,000 per month since February 2009, 1 year after he was declared the conservator in change of her estate. This compensation has totaled $2.4 million over the last 12 years. In addition, according to a report published this week by the New York Times, he received a percentage of her touring money, which could explain Spears' claim that she was compelled to work and perform despite not wanting to or feeling sick. Jamie Spears received 1.5% of the gross ticket and merchandise sales from Britney Spears' famous Piece of Me residency in Las Vegas, which ran from 2013 to 2017. According to Caesars Entertainment, the event grossed $137.7 million, leaving Jamie Spears with a $2.1 million cut. Jamie Spears received a 2.95% fee from her 2011 Femme Fatale tour, according to the New York Times. While it's unclear whether that's a proportion of gross income or just Spears' take-home pay, the tour would have netted him at least $500,000. Britney Spears has had to pay various more expenditures in addition to the millions she has paid her father as part of a court-ordered salary. There's the roughly $300,000 she spent on a $2,000 per month office for her father, as well as the hundreds of thousands, if not millions, she spent on legal expenses. Conservatees are frequently obliged to pay for both their own attorneys and those of their conservators as part of a peculiar conservator arrangement. Those payments have risen throughout the course of Britney Spears' conservatorship, which has lasted 13 years. While the exact amount she paid in legal costs isn't known, court records from 2018 and 2019 show that the law firm Freeman & Smiley, which represented Jamie Spears at the time, charged her almost $170,000 between October 1st, 2018 and October 31st, 2019. Another document listed fees for Samuel D. Ingham III, her own court-appointed attorney, from November 6, 2016 until October 10, 2018. The entire cost was $331,940.50, or $475 per hour for 698.7 hours of work. According to a 2018 filing by Jamie Spears' attorney, the estate was nearly out of funds and cash equivalents when the conservatorship began in February 2008. The filing states that between 2014 and November 2018, the estate increased in value by $20 million, attributing the growth in part to the conservator's management of Britney Spears' money. The problems were of epic proportions over a period of years, the filing reads. Extraordinary skills have been employed by all in order to achieve the results enjoyed at the present time. The conservator, Jamie Spears, has had many months at a time where all of his professional time was spent in services rendered exclusively to the conservatee. In her Wednesday court appearance, Spears did not disclose how her father invested her money or the bigger picture of her finances, but she did talk about how her personal funds were constrained, including the fact that she couldn't carry her own credit card. It makes no sense whatsoever for the state of California to sit back and literally watch me, with their own two eyes, make a living for so many people and pay so many people. Trucks and buses on tour, on the road with me, and be told that I'm not good enough, she said. It's been a long time since I've owned my own money, and it's my wish and my dream for all of this to end. Britney Spears' father, according to her statement, wanted more than just the money. I cried on the phone for an hour, and he loved every minute of it. Spears said, the control he had over someone as powerful as me. He loved the control to hurt his own daughter. 1000% he loved it. Jamie Spears did not respond publicly, though his lawyer did say, he is sorry to see his daughter suffering and in so much pain. Mr. Spears loves his daughter and misses her very much. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.